Mother, Brother Billy and I are hungry. Will you please manufacture a sandwich for us?
Yes, my dear son Jimmy. I will forge you and Billy a sandwich.
Mother goes to the kitchen to make a sandwich for Jimmy and Billy. She then gets 2 slices of bread and the rest of the ingredients. When the mom is finished making a sandwich, she then cuts the sandwich into 2 triangles. She then cuts one of the pieces of sandwich, again down the middle, into another 2 separate triangles because Billy likes his sandwich in pieces. She then puts them on a plate to serve them to her wonderful children.
Jimmy, Billy, your food is ready.
The children run into the kitchen to claim their prizes.
Hey, yo, Jimmy! Why you got more sandwich than me?
Billy, they're the same quantity. It's just that your sandwich is cut into 2 pieces.
Hey, yo, Jimmy, you're right about how I like my sandwiches, but you're wrong about them being the same size. As you wish, Brother Billy.
I didn't wish nothing.
I shall defeat you with the power of math. There's no way this is happening.
So, what you're gonna need first, Billy, is your handy-dandy calculator, and you're also gonna need a brain.
What did I just do? As you can see, Billy, this is my sandwich. This side is 3 inches. This side is also 3 inches. And the angle right here is 90 degrees. Now, Billy, if you use the formula of finding the area of a triangle using trig, which is 1/2 times side times side times sine of the angle in between, you can use these numbers to plug into the formula to make your own equation to find your area of a triangle. So, if you plug in these numbers, you get 1/2 times 3 times 3 times sine of 90 degrees. You get 4.5 inches squared if you plug that into your handy-dandy calculator. Billy, this is your sandwich. It's 2 triangles because you have 2 pieces of sandwich. This side is 3 inches, this side is also 3 inches, and the angle is 90 degrees. But since it's 2 triangles because you have 2 sandwiches, it would be 45 degrees right here and 45 degrees right here. So, if you want to use the formula of finding area of the triangle using trig, you need these 2 sides and the angle in between. We're using this as the angle in between because it's the only angle that's given. So, we have this side, but we need to try to find this side. And you can do that by using SOHCAHTOA. Now, if you identify your sides, this is hypotenuse, this is your opposite, and this is your adjacent. Now, our goal is to try to find our adjacent. And we would use ka because it involves adjacent and hypotenuse, and we're given the hypotenuse and we are trying to find our adjacent. Now, we would format this by saying cosine of 45 degrees equals a divided by 3. A over 3. Now, what you're going to need to do is to isolate a. And to do that, you have to multiply on both sides by 3. That would give you 3 times cosine of 45 degrees equals a, which is your adjacent. And if you plug that into your handy-dandy calculator, you get 2.121320344. And once you get that, you now have your adjacent. So now you can use the formula of finding an area of a triangle using trig, which is 1/2 times side times side times sine of the angle in between. Now, if you plug all those numbers in, you get 1/2 times 3 times 2.121320344 times sine of 45 degrees. And you get 2.25 inches squared.
Ha! I told you got more sandwich than me. I told you your dumb little work tree didn't work on me.
Well, my dear Brother Billy, since you have 2 sandwiches, that means you have 2 triangles. And since we only found the area for one of the triangles, we never even thought about the other triangle. So, since they have the same exact adjacent, the same exact sides, the same exact angle, we would multiply it by 2. And if you do that, it would be 2.25 times 2. Guess what you get, Billy?
Oh no.
You get
4.5 inches squared.
How you doing this, Jimmy?
Well, I'll tell you how I got it, Jimmy. I used the power of trigonometry. Guys, it's been 2 hours. You guys haven't even touched your sandwiches yet.
Sorry, Mother. We got carried away.